Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of it is entitled "Couple Decides to Make Things Even Worse." Man, even worse. Let's get into the video.
Watch as these two people try to evade law enforcement with their vehicles and meet karma.
He's going right there. Stop!
Hey, I'm Officer Sean, City Mount Dora Police Department. How y'all doing?
City tire right now.
All right, yeah, we got a call out here saying that there was just an argument going on. So, quick question: when you run the tag, does not come back to this vehicle. Do you have paperwork?
I have the other my actual license plate on my other car.
Hello, is everything okay today?
Yeah.
Someone called in that you guys were getting into a fight or something.
No, I was upset about something, but we didn't fight.
Okay.
So, is it actually registered?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have any paperwork with a VIN on it?
Not on me necessarily. I don't even have my ID or wallet because somebody stole it.
Oh man, that sucks.
So she don't even have her wallet either.
Someone stole my wallet.
All right. Just give us a few moments. All right. What did she say about the 22?
She said there was no 22, but she was crying when I walked up.
He kept telling me, "This isn't a good day. This isn't a good day. This isn't a good day."
Kept saying there's something about a tire wrong.
And that's what he was saying too. There's a tire jacked up, which they all look fine. Hey, Adrian, who does this vehicle belong to?
This one?
Yeah.
It belongs to my uncle.
Someone who?
My uncle.
Your uncle? All right. I was just wondering because when I run your name, it's not showing that you have any vehicles registered to you.
Yeah, my last car, I just have to pound it.
Gotcha. If I could just have both of y'all stand at the front of my vehicle or run the VIN on this real quick, I just have to do my job real quick, all right? I have to stand in front of my vehicle. How long have you been homeless for, man?
What?
I'm just asking how long you have been homeless for.
I can't remember.
Yeah, that's not how much how long the homeless been.
Couple months, I guess.
Couple months. So y'all just been going parking lot?
But honestly, gonna go right back to Walmart.
All right, so Mount Dora does have a city ordinance where you can't sleep overnight in any of our parking lots.
On my door?
Put your hands behind your back.
What?
Put your hands behind your back.
Wait, hold on. Wait, did I miss something? What? How long you been homeless for and then put your hands behind your back? Like, wait, maybe I'm missing something.
My door?
Put your hands behind your back.
What?
So y'all just been going parking lot?
But honestly, gonna go right back to Walmart.
All right, so Mount Dora does have a city ordinance where you can't sleep overnight in any of our parking lots.
On my door?
Put your hands behind your back.
What?
Put your hands behind your back.
Towards Walmart. We're heading towards Walmart gas station. I see one unit coming our way. He's running right there.
I give them credit because they got like
He's
30
right here,
pounds
right
of
here.
gear on.
He's going right there. Stop! With that vehicle will run. He's going through Walmart parking lot gas station.
Black truck is going south. It did hit me on the way out. It's now going north on 441.
He's heading towards you, Dora. He's heading towards you, Dora. Straight full ton, straight. Go straight, right there. Check him for probes. You fucking ran. I told you not to.
Okay, because you guys literally saw attacking me. You gonna tell me?
This truck is stolen, so.
We got one detail.
And you ran, so.
I didn't know.
You added your own charges.
But because you guys tackled me.
No, we didn't.
You telling me he didn't literally grab me?
We're by Walmart, First National, one in custody. I need a cage over here. And EMS.
You don't have body cam? Huh? You don't have a body cam?
I do have a body cam.
How about the other guy?
What other guy?
And who tackled me?
You didn't get
Talk to me.
tackled.
Yeah, because
You
I
did
got
not
out
get
of it.
tackled.
You tased me.
Yes, I.
Shut your ass up, man. You worried about some tackling. Man, you driving a stolen vehicle, man. You got your body camera on? Man, you going to the county, my boy.
That is correct. You ran away from us. We were lawfully detaining you and you ran.
He didn't even tell me what it was for, nothing.
You had a crowbar in your hand at the moment, dude.
Because I was fixing my tire.
Why you ran?
Because, bro, I'm scared and I'm homeless.
And that's why you ran?
Yes, he's trying to tackle me.
You caught yourself more stuff, dude.
Hey, not no more. You ain't homeless no more, my boy. Listen, you gonna get 3 meals. You gonna get breakfast, lunch, dinner. You know what I'm saying? You gonna be able to get some commissary, you know, probably get some ramen noodles and all that, you know what I mean? But you ain't got no money for real, so you probably, yeah, you know, whatever. But you gonna be able to get electricity free electricity, free clothes. You know what I'm saying? Gonna get you a uniform. You know? Yeah. Yeah, you ain't homeless no more, my boy. Free bed. You damn near gonna be sleeping on steel, but it is a bed. You know what I'm saying? You gonna be lit, my boy. You ain't gotta worry about that homeless thing no more.
You made it worse.
You made things way worse by having me run after you.
Bro, he grabbed me. Like he was gonna tackle me, nigga. So
yeah, we were arresting you.
You could just tell me to put my hands behind the back.
We're not
like
gonna do that when you got a crowbar in your hand and that car is stolen. No.
You don't say anymore. Come and put the.
No, keep him out.
You sure?
Yep. I called for a cage.
For a cage? What does that
Put
mean?
you in a cage. I'm gonna put you in the back of a police car.
Yeah, like an animal.
You want to put my lights on so they can see us?
No.
Bro, you got us scared. If we can just sit down and talk, I could get her here.
Nope. You guys created this own issue yourself at this point. You know what?
How?
What happens to her right now? She put herself in the own situation.
Bro, can you just like look into my eyes and treat me like a human?
I did the whole entire time until you wanted to pull some dumb shit.
All right, we're done talking.
Running all the way around.
I'm not allowed to make no phone calls, bro, because I promise you I can, like,
Nope.
I can get this figured out.
That's on her. What she's doing right now, that's on her.
All right, but I can get this figured out.
No, there's no figuring it out. All right? You did what you did. All right?
I can't breathe.
Huh?
Can't breathe.
I got EMS coming.
You're an asshole, man.
What?
You're an asshole.
Who?
You.
Why?
Bro, I'm human. Just like you are.
Okay, why do you run from my guys?
He tried to tackle me.
Why you run from
He
them?
didn't say nothing to me.
He didn't try to tackle you.
Yeah.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Don't play that game with me.
Bro,
Yes,
he
did.
literally threw the crowbar in my hands and tried to tackle me. Like if I was gonna hit him with a crowbar.
He threw up.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Shut the fuck up. Get the fuck back in there. Get the fuck in there. You all right? No.
Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy. It sounds like you gonna have one hell of a time in intake, my boy. Oh boy, did you hear that, officer? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It sounds like you gonna have one of them nights, boy. What? It sounds like you gonna have a long night, boy. You gonna get some good sleep.
She was charged with fleeing or eluding law enforcement with reckless disregard or causing injury, driving without a license, resisting an officer without violence, grand theft auto, and loitering or prowling. But that was nothing compared to this chase involving a man wanted for homicide.
Vehicle still north now. East 120.
I didn't even know this was I didn't even know this was 2 videos. Okay, let's go.
I see him. He's right behind this car right here. You ready for this car? Then pull them things.
No, he's gonna hit him.
Go! Spikes!
935, right here, southbound. Going southbound, 925.
See, at this point, you should just be done. Once you get the spikes, it's over, bro. It's a wrap, bro. Once you hit them spikes, it's like, it's over, bro. Just pull over, bro, because it's only a matter of time.
Right, 26. I think you're at like 425 with another gas.
Damn, he can't even keep control of it. Smoked your boots.
It's okay now. If you want to where we're at, we go.
The suspect was charged with eluding police and homicide.
Look at that. Honestly, we got like a little bonus video. I didn't know there was 2 videos in there, but man, yo, these guys, there's no point in running. Like, it's over. Like, with the first guy, you running on foot. That's a dub, bro. They gonna catch you eventually or get the dog. Like, it's a wrap for that. And then the second dude, you could try with the car. You could try. You know what I'm saying? There's people that get away with the car now. But once they hit you with the spikes, it's over, bro. Just pull over. It's a wrap. You're done.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.